Check out this heavy duty meat grinder. Gonna put it on low. And get some meat. Stick it down into the tube there. Heavy duty meat grinder. If you want to get one, there's a link in the bio.